So if you can hear me now, give me a 1 in the chat. Yes, I hope now we are streaming live onto the YouTube channel. I just want to confirm that I'm loud and clear, and then we basically rock. All right, good. Ladies and gentlemen, trading, or the skill of trading, is one of the best skills anybody could have. And personally, if someone could ask me, one of the things I've been able to benefit from the crypto ambassadors for free in my existence is learning how to trade, learning how to look at financial markets, learning to make decisions in financial markets, learning to become a professional. And in our first class for today, we are going to be basically looking at all these strategies. Yes, looking at all these strategies to make sure that all of you become professional traders. And before we go into all these professional trading stuff that we are going to look at, I want to introduce the lingua, or the language used in technical analysis, so that throughout my classes, okay, throughout my classes, I'm going to be using this language. And I want to make sure that as I use the language, you are accustomed and used to the language, all right? Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen and we get started. Okay, good. If you can see my screen, drop me 1 in the chat just to confirm, and we're good to go. All right, so I'll use Chrome. All right, so let's me use another browser so that we save time. Okay. Now the first word that you'll be able to see, and as I'm gonna open up the browser, the first common word that you're gonna be able to visualize or to hear about, many traders talk about, many traders speak about, is a basic word called TV. You hear many traders as you are doing the business, as you will be working with me throughout these 2 months. I'll be talking about TV, and you're gonna just visit there. TV stands for TradingView. So when I start saying TV, don't say, what does it mean? So it will be standing for TradingView, okay? TradingView. And what is TradingView? Like our previous presenter took you through that simple process, okay? I hope I'm in already now. Good. Hope I'm back. My browser is back. Okay. All right, so I'll just move on, guys. Sometimes these things get annoyed. So you will hear me talk about TradingView, so do not get scared. And like the previous presenter that we had on 2 our classes, he went into details on how you open up a TradingView account. And I hope all of us have a TradingView account. If you already have a TradingView account, give me 1 in the chat. If you already have a TradingView account, give me 1 in the chat. If you already have a TradingView account, a 1 in the chat. But if you don't have one, I want also to encourage you to go to the Google Play Store, download a TradingView application, because it's gonna be our center focus. It's gonna be our center focus. It's gonna be our everything. Okay, it's gonna be our everything, and it is key and very important for you to have TradingView. Okay, from TradingView, friends, Another common site that is very important in your technical analysis journey that you're gonna hear me talk about, and I also want to introduce you that every trader who wants to make money every single day, it is important for this trader to visit this important website, right? So let me just open up for you, and this website is called CoinMarketCap. This website is called CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. And it is important, friends, for you to have this website. If you don't have CoinMarketCap, I just want to drop you a simple browser in your chart. I just want to drop you a simple browser in the chart. And I basically encourage that you basically look at this every single day. Just a minute, friends. German. Hello. All right, friends. Sorry for that. Okay, now this is CoinMarketCap. The word you will hear me use so much when it comes to CoinMarketCap, you'll hear me using the word CM. What's happening? Everything is not working as I want. CMC. So you'll hear me talk about CMC. So when you hear me talk about CMC, just know I'm talking about CoinMarketCap. So CMC will stand for CoinMarketCap. All right. Now, how do we use CoinMarketCap, and how is it important when you want to do technical analysis? So I've said that if you don't have a CoinMarketCap account, I would advise you open one. Okay, I would personally advise you open one. And as a trader, or like someone who is involved in cryptocurrency, having a CoinMarketCap account is very, 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 very important. And every day, I usually encourage my friends that it is important for you to always open your CoinMarketCap account every single day, so that you could be able to see what is happening. Okay, what is happening. And also, if you have any coin, like you're gonna be looking at who's a day trader, who's a swing trader, who's an investor. Once you open up a CoinMarketCap, you need to have what we call price alerts. CoinMarketCap is a cryptocurrency agitator, and every trader needs to have an active agitator added onto their portfolio. So if you have any cryptocurrency that you are following, you have any cryptocurrency that you are following, you want to use, you want to have it be used, I basically encourage everybody you to be able to have this CoinMarketCap, and every day before you start your trading experience, you are able to basically be able to use it. So I want to go through some simple ways on how you use CoinMarketCap for your trading experience. And it is key for every trader to have CoinMarketCap. Okay, now let's get into the coins. So we have over 2.4 million cryptocurrencies, and I'm just gonna open them for you. Okay, there we go. Okay, all right. Okay, we have 2.4 million cryptocurrencies. Okay, and there we go, guys. All right. Okay. Now, cryptocurrencies, when we come to them, they can be ranked. Okay, we have the ranking of CoinMarketCap, and usually here they are ranked according to the amount of money that exists in these cryptocurrencies. All right. Okay, so I just want to go down here. Okay, good, guys. So you see, it comes with the name of the currency, the price, the 1%, the 1 hour percentage performance, the 24-hour performance, the 7 days performance, the market cap, the volume, and the circulating supply. Okay, I hope you can be able to see the circulating supply. Okay, so these credentials are very important to a trader. And as a trader who wants to go into the market, it is key, important, and profound to always open CoinMarketCap before you get into the market every single day. If you are learning, give me one in the chat. Every single day. I want to make sure you are following, friends. That's why I'm asking. Okay, you just want to make sure that you are following. Yeah, I just want to make sure that you are following. I just want to make sure that you are following. Okay, good. So now this is Bitcoin. We are going to use Bitcoin as our example when it comes to, because ladies and gentlemen, I want to be crystal clear that we have Bitcoin and we have other cryptocurrencies, because anything else apart from Bitcoin is other coins. And so what is market cap? And it is key for every person who wants to involve themselves in cryptocurrency to understand what is market cap. Market cap is simple, friends. It is the current price. It is the current price. Can we all see the current price here? I don't know what's happening with my board. Okay, can we all see this coin here? Can all see the price of Bitcoin? Give me a 2 in the chat if you can see. I'm very slow. I know some people have been here for some time, but this is season 2. So I'm very slow, friends. So don't say, me, I know that. What is doing, me, I know. I'm just for new people who have joined Crypto Ambassadors. I'm not here for you. So if you have been here and you know what I'm talking about, feel free to leave my calls. I will not look for you. So don't get annoyed from here. And we already know that. You told us the other time, I'm here for someone who's new to cryptocurrency. I'm here for someone who made a decision to join cryptocurrency maybe yesterday. And they're hearing me for a first time. Okay. I'm not here for you who has been here for ages. So don't get annoyed with me. I know that someone is chatting me, but you are very slow. We know that. If you know it's okay, feel free to leave my call. And I promise you one thing, I will not look for you. I'm not here for you. All right. So if you already know, keep calm, enjoy the class. If you are exhausted, just leave, go and do your other stuff. All right. Good. Beautiful. Thank you. So this is the price. Okay. This is the price of Bitcoin. So this price of Bitcoin, if multiplied by the circulating supply, friends, it means that the amount of this cryptocurrency that is in the market, the amount of this cryptocurrency that people have 19,707,496 Bitcoins they are in the market. So once multiplied, it gives us what we call the market cap. It gives us what we call the market cap. The total amount of money that is seated in this particular cryptocurrency. If you have understood what market cap means, so it's what we call the valuation of coins that multiplied by the number of the coins. So let us see, why is it important for every trader? Before you want to pick up this specific trade, okay, I will pick up one trade that is leading the market by storm. Okay, let us take an example. So how do we take the example? So we come here on CoinMarketCap, and we're just going to go just a little bit above here. Okay, just a little bit above. Okay, above here. Okay, now here there are most visited coins that people most visit. Okay, now across the world, guys, people are visiting this coin called the beer coin. I don't know about it. And I will discuss, I'm going to be doing some Twitter spaces, and I'm going to be starting my Twitter spaces very soon to discuss more insights about crypto. And I'll be inviting some of my key friends that are into the crypto market space to share insights. Now, let's visit this most visited cryptocurrency called NOT. The NOT coin is one of the most visited cryptocurrency. And I see this coin could go up to $5. And I have been encouraging you to trade it, but at the same time, I encourage you to buy some, right? Okay, I've already encouraged you to buy some. Now, the first thing you need to do as a trader, you want to add this onto your watch list. So how do you add on your watch list? You just come here, my network. You tap on the star and it joins your watch list. Okay, you want to add it on your watch list so that whenever this coin goes down, whenever this coin goes up, you want to also follow on CoinMarketCap. You want to follow, you just need to open up an account and create a watch list. Okay, a watch list. Okay, so I'm following and I've decided to look at the watch list. But I'm not here to go into the details of the watch list. Let me focus on the few important things that I want every trader, before you pick up that coin. Guys, these guys are very serious. Now they want me to log into my account. This is unfair, surely. Okay, this is unfair now. And the network is not networking. The network is not networking. This is unfair. Okay, let's go. Okay, now why are we looking at this? And what is our major focus? We do not need everything. I've explained CoinMarketCap. Our most important point as a trader is to look at the 24-hour volume. Friends, it is to look at the 24-hour volume. Okay, they could be these other things, markets. Just to introduce to you guys, these are just places where you could buy this cryptocurrency. You see, you could find Notcoin. You could find Notcoin here. Hope you see Notcoin in Binance, in Bybit. These are different exchanges. And I'm going to define what exchanges are. So you could tap here on markets and you see where exchanges. When you tap on all, we have centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Okay, now I could be able to just define what an exchange is. Just maybe because I knew I was going to just talk about it in the near future. It is a place that hosts those cryptocurrencies. It hosts. It is a platform that hosts cryptocurrency. Okay, now a platform that hosts a cryptocurrency is where people can be able to buy this particular cryptocurrency, and where people can be able to sell this particular cryptocurrency. Now, why do I pick interest in Notcoin? Can we all see that Notcoin has a market cap of $2.4 billion? Give me one in the chat if you can see here. Now, these are top-notch classes. People pay for them. I want you to pay close attention. What I speak about, when you take it seriously, you become a millionaire. Yes, I know people take me light, but what I speak about, when you take it seriously, you become a millionaire. Can you all see that Notcoin is seated at $2.4 billion? Not friends. And I want to take you back to Bitcoin, because some of you don't pay, to become rich, you don't need to pay a lot of attention to everything. You just pay attention to small key things. Okay, now let me take you back to Bitcoin. Let me take you back to Bitcoin. Okay, let me see if I could just go back. Let me take you back to Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, let's go back here, guys. I don't know why my cursors are not working well. Let's go back here. Let's go back here. Okay, let's go back here. Let's leave Notcoin and let's get back to the main chart now. I want you to pay close attention, because some of you miss money because you think you need to focus on so much. Can we now see, friends, I want you to focus. I just request you to focus for one time in your life. Can you see that the market cap of Bitcoin is seated at the total amount of money in Bitcoin? That's where my focus is. I don't know what's happening to my cursor. All right, good. Okay, can we see that the market cap of Bitcoin is $1.3 billion and the market cap of Notcoin is $2.4 billion? Give me a yes in the chat if you can see that. Give me a yes in the chat if you can see that. Now, which cryptocurrency has more money as we speak? Is it Notcoin or it is Bitcoin? Is it Notcoin or it is Bitcoin? Which cryptocurrency has more money? Some answers in the chat. Which coin has more money? It is Notcoin. Now, as a trader, it is important for you to focus where money is flowing. You don't want to, the reason why you want to benefit from the bull cycle is to pay attention to where money is flowing. And where money is flowing, you pay attention and find entry opportunities. Are we making some sense, friends? Let me know. Are we making some sense? Are we making some sense? You are learning. I'm very slow in my classes. And so you want to get in here and find, why is it that this coin is doing well? Why is it that this coin, what is happening in the market? And it's something you are supposed to visit, friends. It is something you are supposed to visit. And you want to be able to look, yes, there could be many coins that maybe are recently added, but you want to put your focus on a cryptocurrency that has more attention, that is having more attention. And one of them is Bitcoin. Yes, there is this bear coin, but not coin is one of the cryptocurrencies. And you want to visit and find out what is happening. Now, where do you put the focus? Where do you put the focus, friends? You put the focus. That's where do you put the focus? That's where I want to put my time. You put the focus on the 24-hour volume. On the 24-hour volume. That's where I want you to put your focus. And I want to just get there. And I'm showing you how I use the CoinMarketCap to my advantage. Okay? To my advantage. All right. So, I don't know why things are moving very slow, but I would love them to move a little bit fast. So I don't know. Someone might be getting annoyed, but in life they say, and control. Because sometimes when you put your focus on what you cannot control, you get headache for nothing. So I'm this kind of a person who says, I'll put my focus where my control can be. So I'm not responsible to why the network is not good. Because usually people get annoyed. Things are slow. I want them fast. Just focus on what you can control. What you cannot control, just be patient. Okay. Now, here is usually, this is a chart. I may not go into this, but just to share with you, friends, so that you get accustomed to CoinMarketCap. So here is a chart. You can decide to turn it to, if you are using CoinMarketCap, you can decide to turn this to candles like this, or to graph like this. As simple as that. I'm just taking just some more time, but not so much. So you press on it, like here, if you want to see candles. But the main thing why I have decided to share with you this is you need to tap on all. You don't need to put it in, maybe you want to tap on all. What has been happening to this cryptocurrency since it came in the market? Ladies and gentlemen, I want also to share something. I want all of you to understand, friends. I want you to understand that whenever we get near to the bull run, new coins is where people put their focus. Give me a one in the chat if you have understood that message. People get more attracted to new coins than in old coins. Give me one in the chat. People get more interest in new coins than in old coins, because new coins come with better technology. New coins come with better ecosystem. New coins come to solve better things. So you come here, you tap on all, and you see that this is the current price of Notcoin, and this is the all-time high, 0.028. I believe this coin could go up to around $5 in good market conditions, because the adoption rate is very high, and I hope we could see more. So you could even go in here, Notcoin news, what's happening in the Notcoin, what is causing the Notcoin to go high. You can usually come here and find Notcoin. So they will expect crypto Notcoin explodes to $4.5 billion, and solar eclipse will be giving reasons why they believe this not coin is doing well, friends. So the Rumble pre-sale skyrockets when not coin, jumps a coin, lead the surge. So people will be here giving reasons why they think Monba crypto on the top channel against not coin and Shiba. So people will be giving you reasons. So if you are into interest, so here there will be similar coins that look similar to not coin. Okay, there is Ton, there is Pepe, there is Bitcoin, there is Stacknet, Ethano, there is Meme coin. So they'll be giving you details about that particular cryptocurrency, and you can make personal decisions. Okay. Okay, they give you popular coins that I said on the Node blockchain. Okay, there is Gram. Okay, there is Gram. I've talked about Gram, friends. I've talked about Redo. Resistance Dog is here for you, friends. I told you, friends, to hold some Ton coin, some Node coin, some Gram, and some Resistance Dog. And there's still opportunities there for you. You could buy some and make some fortunes around them. Okay, that is done. Why do we come to check? That's where my focus is to focus on the 24-hour performance of the cryptocurrency. And that's where I want to put my focus. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the 24-hour performance of Notcoin, okay? And I don't know whether this can become bigger because I don't see opportunity. So let's see historical data. That's what a trader needs to look at because we use historical data to predict the future. All right. Okay. So let's get the historical data of Notcoin. Good. As a trader, it is important for you to come here and look at the 24-hour volume, the volume that is happening, the 24-hour volume of the coin. Because when you look at the 24-hour volume of the coin, friends, this brings in another terminology called liquidity. Okay? Now, let us focus here, friends, so that I get my class. We are still on CoinMarketCap. Just a minute. Good. Okay. Can we all see? If you can see my screen, because I'm now getting to the gist of the thing. Okay, now we see this is 27th. Okay, this is 27th. Where are we putting our focus on the volume? It was 900 million. Then 28th, it was 1.2 billion. Then 29th, it was what we have 794 million. 30th, 1.4 billion. 31st, 600 million. First, 1.2 billion. Second, 4.3 billion. Third, 2.1. And if we just scroll up a little bit, fourth is not yet here. Okay, fourth is not yet here. But I want to ask you, friends, I want you to notice the most important thing, that when we are going to go to CoinMarketCap, a trading view like I'm going to show you, you'll find that whenever there is increase in volume, the prices go high again and again and again. Whenever there is increase in volume, because trading is volume. So as a trader who wants to make profit, there is a new terminology that you'll hear me use. It's called volatility. I don't know if it is the spelling that I know. It's called volatility. Volatility. What does this mean? How much volume is moving up and down, and 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 up and down. We call this heavy price swings. Heavy price swings. As a trader, You must pick your interest in a coin that is going up and coming down, 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 because that's where much money is being made. I have a question, friends, so far where we are, especially my newbies that are getting these classes for the very, very first time. My newbies that are getting these classes for the very, very first time. I want to ask you a question. If you look at this volume, is it changing per day? You see, here it was up, here it was down. Here it was up, here it was down. Here it was up, here it was up, and today is down. Is the volume changing? Is the volume changing? Let me know, friends. Let me know. Give me some answers, especially my new students. You are here for the very first time. Now that is volatility, and it's important that you check about the volume. You need to check about the volume, and the volume brings another terminology. Okay, now let me just take you now to TradingView. Yeah, let me just take you to TradingView. Let me now take you to TradingView. And the coin that is on your screen is called the note coin. And you don't need to focus so much what you see on your screen, friends, simply because you don't need to get headache about what you see. But I want to give you this as a good coin to trade, okay? So do not focus so much on what you see on your screen and get confused, I beg, because I'll be teaching you everything you see on my screen. So you don't need to basically say, I want to learn all that I see on your screen. How can it become like a mine? No headache. No headache, friends. Okay. So, all right, guys. Okay. So you don't need to get headache. How can my screen be like yours? No, you don't need. Okay. It will become like mine at just a matter of time. This is our coin. Okay, this is our coin. And let me just go check. Okay, good. Right. Now, this coin is very good for trading. Like, because we have been looking at the volumes, okay? The volume, the 24-hour volume. Now, I know I'll come to an area. I'm into a time frame of 4 hours. Let me see if I could change my time frame. Okay. Right, let me leave it for now, but I believe I'll teach about time frames. Now, my time frame that you see here, I can have confidence that this coin is going to move from where it is, okay, from where it is to, it could give a 5%. I see a 15%, friends. It's gonna break the new all-time high because this is pivot, this is just resistance. It's gonna break this resistance, friends, today. And I see a 15% profit. Okay, I see a 15% profit that if someone is strong-hearted, they could be able to get their 15% from this trade because there's been always increase of volume. So these swings, ups and downs, they are brought about, ladies and gentlemen, with the power of volume. The more volume that is getting into the market, the more money that can be made. Basically, I see a 15%. If someone has a strong heart here and they enter this coin, they can take themselves a 15% walk back home profit. Okay, so let me leave that because I have not yet come to those classes. Yeah, I have not yet come back to those classes, but in the near future, I will get into details to those classes. So the reason why I try to share with you is the power of volume, okay? The power of volume. And if I just compare this chart here to the volume here, you see that when the volume is usually high, the prices extremely go high. When the volume is extremely low, Like you see, this was the whole of yesterday. You see the whole of this yesterday. Okay, this is when. This was 1st of June. Okay, this was when. This was the second. This was when. This was first. This was when. This was second. This was when. This was second. This was when. Okay, let's see. Second. Let's go. This was when. Okay, you see, if you look at this trade up to its highest price here, the volume was too much. Let me see what this was when. This was second. This was when. This was third. This was when. This is third. Today is third. This 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 is fourth. Okay. So the volume is key, and volume is trading, my friend. So yesterday, this was second. Wow, this was second, friends. I was wondering, this was second. Look here. Look at volume from second. This was first. This was okay. This was first. This was second. Can we see that from here, this candle? Let me close this. Let me close this so that I reduce on the confusion rate. Let me close this. Why is this? Okay. Close. I'm gonna teach you everything I do, so you don't need to worry. Just stay around. Okay. So when I look at this candle, this was first, this was second. When we had too much volume, guys, can you see that yesterday when the volume was too much in the market, this coin did 70% in profit. And I want us to compare. Can we see the $4.3 billion volume and we compare it with the price? Did we have some good money? Some answers in the chat? Some answers in the chat. Did we have some good money? And have you seen the importance of using CoinMarketCap for your trading experience? So whenever you see increase in volume, then volume goes down. Okay, like I want you to pay close attention. I'm gonna leave this topic, I know, but I want you to see the volume was high yesterday, then people sold and made profit. And then the other day, then the volume is low. Now the volume is increasing with time. The volume is increasing time. That's why I could be confident. I would be confident to say, okay, if all goes well in the near future, I see a 15% take profit because the market did what we call a consolidation, which I'm going to also be able to define. So far, we have looked at what is TradingView, we have looked at what is CoinMarketCap, and now we are going into our next terminology that I'll be using throughout these classes, and that is liquidity. What is liquidity? I hope you have your notebooks and you are taking notes. Because if you are not, okay, now liquidity is how quickly this particular coin can be bought. So before we buy, we need to see, is there liquidity in this coin? Before you invest, you need to check liquidity. How quickly can this coin be bought? And you can be able to use CoinMarketCap. Okay, my next terminology that I know some of you have heard about is called demand and supply. Okay, demand and supply. Okay, demand and supply. Okay. Now, we have looked at historical data. Now we want to look at supply and demand. So I'll be using these words as you work with me the next close to 2 months. Okay, now let's think about this phrase. Okay, let's think about this. If a supply of a coin, is low and the demand of the coin is high, the market will rise. What do you mean that the supply? Let us just think about supply that we have more people that do not want to sell not coin. Can we all see that these candles coming down here are not going back down here, just stopping here, then buyers come in, sellers sell, then the buyers refuse here? Can we all see that in this case, it implies that we have more people that do not want to sell? Give me a yes in the chat if you can see that. This shows you that we have more people that do not want to sell. Give me a yes in the chat if you can see that. Just common sense. You can see that there are more people that do not want to sell their coin. Give me a yes in the chat if you can see that. Because I want you to see, common sense is key. Yeah, when you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to use common sense. Okay, I know you have come into the class and there are certain things you expect, but can you see that? It means that there are more people that don't want to sell. And this move here and this move here shows you that there are more people that want to buy. So if more people don't want to sell and there are more people who want to buy, that causes the 24-hour volume to go high. And so we shall be able to talk about things like supply and then demand. So there are people who do not want to sell, and this is going to be a common terminology of our trading experience. Okay, so it's going to be a common terminology of our trading experience. The next word that you'll be able to hear is called bear market. Bear market. You're going to hear the word bear market. Now, I know you can see my camera if possible. You would be able to discover that in the ancient history, there were those we call the bears, and the bears used to fight with the bulls. And people loved the bears and the bulls because the bears used to be able to fight in a different way than the bulls, because the bear, it closed down, it gets it closed down. So, and the bull pushes its horns up. So the bear goes down and the bull pushes its horns up. And that is where the business is. So the bear, a bear attack, it attacks with its claws in a downward movement. Okay, so we could say, now when we are looking at either the bear market or the bullish market, we look at time frame. So when the market, if we look at a longer time, we could say this was a bullish market in a long term. But still we could say this was a bear market in a short term. Give me one in the chat if that is clear. So in a short term, this is a bear market. But in the long term, this is a bullish market. So it depends on the time, on a duration. So when we talk about the bear market, we mean that the price action is steadily moving down. So when we talk about the price action is steadily moving down, we are trying to mean, friends, that the market is continuously moving down. And it is important for you, a person, to position yourself in this bull market by understanding these terminologies so that you could become a millionaire. So basically, friends, it is important for you to know that when you talk about the bear market, the price action is steadily moving down, is steadily declining. And when we talk about the bullish market, we are talking about, we can say, bullish short term or bullish long term. Give me one in the chat if you're following. Give me one in the chat if you're following. Give me one in the chat if you're following. Give me one in the chat if you're following. Are we learning, friends? Are we learning, friends? Are we learning? I hope you're also making money. If you picked up this trade Notcoin as I shared, give me one in the chat. If you picked up Notcoin as I was sharing, give me one in the chat and you are in profit. Give me one in the chat if you have traded Notcoin and you are in profit now. You know, some people usually want to be told, trade, pick now, take it now. But if you picked up Notcoin and you are profit, let me know. Good. So let me share more signals, friends, so that you can be making money as we talk. Okay. So when we talk about the bull market, it could be long term or it could be short term, all right? Okay, good. Okay. Now let's continue with our terminologies. Okay, the next terminology, friends, that I want to introduce to you, let's talk about what is day trading. What is day trading? Because you will hear me talking about I'm a day trader. What's a day trading? Day trading is someone who makes trades that specific day and ends the trade in that day. Okay. When I decide to be a trader, I decide to take trades that will end in that day. I don't want to sleep with a trade. And how do you become a day trader? You focus on volatility. You focus on coins that have major swings. Swing. Then you know after here it will do swing. Then you know after that it will either do swing. So you focus on major swings and you focus on the swing. So you know that you focus, you are a day trader, you focus on major swings, you focus on volatility, you focus on volume. So you put your focus on the swing. That's way. So you want to be able to be a day trader. So the next terminology is a swing trader. Okay, swing trading. What is swing trading? Because it's going to be one of my common terminologies. So this is a person who takes positions, who enters the market for a few weeks. Okay, a few weeks. Okay. How many of you have seen my trades for long term? Okay, like I give you a trade for long term. There's a friend I gave a trade for long term and I told him to take Notcoin and to take 60%. I think it's one of the recent wins I have done. I told him to take 60%. He's my friend. And yesterday he sent me 1 million Ugandan shillings to take some tea. Right, to take some tea and I told my wife that we shall use that money to celebrate our daughter's birthday. Okay, so it's a long term. It's a long term. When you see me giving you a long term coin 30%, just 7 days. And after 7 days, the trade will be able to deliver. So that is called swing trading. Okay, all right. Okay. But if you want to be a day trader, I see Tony is laughing. Yes, we focus on the swing. All right, let's go. So the next one is called investing. Okay, investing. Okay. Now people who hold for a long period, okay, a long period, we use strategies like moving averages. For example, if someone could ask me, why do you give Notcoin to be holded? I use a strategy of moving averages to go in for long term. Okay, here I focus on months. Okay, for example, just to show you, friends, why I could recommend this. So let me get off all these tools here. So if someone would ask me, why am I recommending this coin? Simple, friends. It's not a big deal. I just come here and I put in my moving averages, convergence, divergence indicator. Okay. This is a MACD. Wait. So here you use strategies like moving averages. that you're going to be able to learn, friends, and you make long-term decisions about the trades, okay? What am I looking for? I need to look for exponential moving averages. Okay, moving average 1, moving average 2, moving average 3. Good. I could go in with 5, but these are enough, okay? So I could take my best moving average of 200. Just don't worry about this. I'll teach you. And I'll give it a color. It's usually my white, nice looking, with a good thickness, okay? All right, so that is my first. Why is it not showing? That is my first moving average. My second moving average is usually, it could be a 20 moving average, but I love the Fibonacci. So I will do a 55. I love Fibs. Fibonacci are very good. So this one I will go in usually, it's usually my yellow moving average. It's usually my yellow moving average, and I'll give it an average thickness. Okay, then this one will be my 21 moving average. Okay, this one will either be my 21 moving average. So now, what are the use of these moving averages? And it's in my favorite purple color, but I usually go in with orange. Okay, so let me go in with that. Okay, right. So this is a 55 moving average, and the orange is a 21 moving average. I don't know why my 200 moving average is not showing up. So let me see. Did it change? Why? Okay, simple moving average, exponential. Why is my moving average not showing up? Okay, should I reduce on this? Should I remove this? Okay, now it's not showing up because of the time frame, okay? And now I understand. You know, this coin doesn't have 200 moving average. Maybe I press it in 1 hour. It has not yet formed recent 200 candles, okay? Okay, here it comes, friends, in the 1 hour time frame, okay? I'll discuss time frames. So if I want to go in for long-term frames, okay, once, for example, like when do we decide to say that the market is on an uptrend, the market is on a bull market? We use these moving averages. For example, when this coin formed, let me use 4 hours, not to waste a lot of time going back to the history. Can we see this crossover here? Can we see this crossover here, friends? Can we see this crossover? A 21 moving average crossed a 55 moving average. Can we see that, friends, here? So this was a moment of entry in the market. This coin was at 0.006. So if I want to go in long term, I had to enter from here, and I'm still in this coin. I can sell 316%. And when will I sell? I will only sell this coin when now the 20, this one cross over again. So this is long term. It's called investing. So you can invest in cryptocurrencies using what we call moving averages. So what is investing? These are people that go into trades for a long time. Good. Thank you, friends. And that will be, that terminology is done. Let me go to my next terminology. I'm running very fast, and I'll get my terminologies done in the next few minutes. I'm just focusing on the time here. But are we learning? Are we learning? Let me know. Are we learning? The next terminology is called an exchange. The next terminology is called an exchange. What's an exchange, friends? What's an exchange? What's an exchange? I'm going to repeat these terminologies in a short video and post it on the Crypto Ambassador TikTok channel, right? On the Crypto Ambassador TikTok channel. I'm going to repeat them and explain. So what is an exchange? An exchange is a place that hosts cryptocurrencies. Okay, let's say we have two people here. Okay, we have Peter and we have Andrew. Okay, now Peter has what we call fiat money, and maybe Andrew has crypto. So it is an area that allows Andrew to move money from fiat so that he gets crypto. And also Andrew, he has crypto, he gets fiat. But not only that, it also allows Andrew, who has crypto A or crypto X, to get crypto Y. It's an exchange. So exchanges are divided into two. We have centralized exchanges and we have decentralized exchanges. Okay, centralized exchanges, friends, these are platforms that would allow us to move fiat money, which is paper money, into crypto. And decentralized exchanges allow us to move from one crypto into another crypto. Let's go. Okay. The next terminology is time frame. What is time frame? When I talk about 4 hours, when I talk about 1 day, 15 minutes, 3 minutes, what is time frame? That's our next terminology. What is time frame? What is time frame in trading? What's time frame? Now, time frame is to look at small picture. You look at the small picture of the market and the big picture of the market. So when we say 3 minutes, small picture, 1 minute, small picture, 5 minutes, small picture, 15 minutes, small picture, 30 minutes, small picture, 1 hour. 1 hour is a big picture of maybe 5 minutes. Like 15 minutes is a big picture of 3 minutes. Like 30 minutes is a big picture of 1 minute. So what is happening in the smaller time frame seen in a bigger time frame? So when you talk about time frame, 4 hours, it's a big picture of 1 hour. I'm going to go into details about time frame, but give me one in the chat if that is clear. When we talk about time frame, I want to look at the minute in 5 minutes. I just want to look at what's happening in the small picture of the market and what's happening in the big picture of the market. Simple, friends. It's not a big deal. Are we there? Let me know. Or I'm still alone. Are we following? Are we learning? Now, what is margin trading? What is margin trading? When someone talks about margin trading, what's margin trading? Okay, let me explain. What is margin trading? Someone says margin trading. What is margin trading? You hear people talk about margin trading. What is margin trading? Margin trading is borrowing money. It's borrowing money. Okay. Now, you borrow money from an exchange so that you could play with more money than you have. And that brings in the word we call leveraging. Leveraging is using more money or borrowing money that you don't have. Okay, I'll use it for trading. That's simple as that. Okay. All right. Okay, it's the same thing with so now what is a long? What is a long? What is longing? What is longing? Longing is buying cheap and selling high. Buying at a cheaper price and selling at a higher price. What is shorting the market? What is shorting the market? Shorting the market is betting against the market. You bet against the market. You bet against the market. So, for example, I say, this is Notcoin is here. I bet that Notcoin will go back to 0.14. It's betting against the market. Okay. And like, that's why people say liquidity. Now, liquidity is the money. But when they say liquidation, it means that they are taking the money. So once you say that this coin will get to 0.1, if it doesn't get there, you lose the money. Because you bet against the market and your bet doesn't happen, so you lose. So we have a long, longing the market, we have the short. Here it is buying cheap at price and selling at a higher price. Here is betting against the market. You say the market will get here. If it doesn't get there, you suffer your consequences of betting against the market. Next, what is a bid and what is an ask? What is a bid? What does we mean? What do we mean when we talk about the bid and what do we mean when we talk about an ask? So maybe I don't know whether I had forgotten to log into this account. Let me see if I can get in very fast. That I show you order blocks. I have 5 minutes, but I'm gonna get, so I'll stop sharing my screen. I'll stop sharing my screen. Just a minute, friends. Let me see if I could use my 5 minutes to show you this. I want to show you order blocks. And I want to end this topic today. I don't want to be here tomorrow about the same thing. I'm getting there, just a minute. Just a minute. Then we get this done. I thought I wouldn't get here, but I didn't know that I will. But let me talk about order blocks. I'll go in details when it comes to order blocks. I will teach you order blocks, but I'm in. So I want to show you what is a bid, what is an ASIC, what's a spread, and then we are good to go. So that when I start using these terminologies here, hey, don't get confused. Okay, logging in. Then I share my screen. Yeah, I'm logging in, friends. Okay, yes. So allow me hide my assets. It is freedom. Allow me hide my how much I have in my account. I think it is personal. It is personal privacy, because I see someone is saying here, just show us it remains personal. Okay, right, good. Can you see my account? So this is my account, Wealth Coach Julius. This name was given to me by a community of crypto traders, having enabled them hit their target. So they told me, sir, we want to, I've created so many people in the world that are doing well financially. I have people I know that have been able to make over close between from $0 to $100,000. I have so many. I have people who I know that I've made from $0 to $50,000, from $0 to $30,000. I found someone with nothing, start working with me, and they finally be able to hit that income. Okay, so now let me just get into hot coins here. And let me pick up notes, which is taking market by storm. And I introduced you to what we call bids and assets. Okay. Okay, all right. Just a minute. We are getting into this trend. Brianna, bring me some water. Bring me some water. Okay. All right, friends. Now we are in the chart. This is our chart. Now, this coin, once you open the chart onto your exchange, especially Binance, what Binance does, it tells you what coin is a gaming coin. Can we see this? You know, I'm teaching you professionally. That's why I'm slow. You see, it names the coin. It's a gaming coin. So you need to know that now you are dealing with gaming. Now, since I've logged in here, then these ones are now disturbing me with their too much lessons, but I want to just get to my reason. Okay. Get off, get off, get off. Finance is very stubborn. Get off here. I'm not interested. Just get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. Finance, please get off. They don't want to give up, but it's well. Okay. Now, friends, this is what we call an order book. Okay, this is what we call an order book. Okay, this is what we call an order book. Can we all see this side here? Let me see if I could get a better view. So this is an order book. Can we see this side? This is an order book. Now, what is this is an order book, friends? You can use order books to trade. I'll get time and I go into order books. It's one of my classes that is coming up. These are order books. Now, order books, we have what we call bids and assets. So usually people ask me, why is it that my robot did not sell? Why is it that my robot did not buy? Why is it that my robot did not sell? Why is it that my robot is not buying? When you are buying from someone who is selling. And when you are selling to someone who has bid to buy. Am I making sense to you? The robot sells to someone and the robot buys from someone. So if in that moment there is no one that is buying, are we following, friends? Friends, don't look for my number. Just focus on these classes because you will look for me and me, I will not give you time. You see people come to these classes, they find me teacher and they say, I'll look for him one-on-one, private call. My private call, you not manage it. It's over $10,000. You not manage it, friends. Just focus on my classes here. Nobody can manage. You cannot manage my private call. It is $10,000. I'm too costly. So focus here. It is highly costly if you need me one-on-one. So focus here because I give this information for free. Am I making sense, friends? Let me know. Am I making sense? If you don't focus here and you say private, give me time, I'm highly costly. I'm $10,000. I'm highly costly and you need to deposit it fast. If you focus on these things, I will look for him. He teaches me one-on-one. I'm highly costly. $10,000 and you deposit it first before you start coming to me. So it is not like I will give you in BTC $10,000. You deposit it first. You say, if you don't have it, don't tamper. So focus here because the classes are free. Nobody pays for these classes. So you'll be there. You are in the chat, my number. You focus here. I'll teach you for free. I don't need money. But if you want money, it is another game. Now, let's focus, friends. Now, at this point here, I'm just trying to figure out if I could sum up this side and get a wider screen. I wanted to see if I could get a wider screen. Okay. Now, friends, I will go into details with order books, but we can use order books to trade. We can use order books only to trade. And let me see if I get a better view here with the order books, but they are not bringing them. Binance, you needed to change the way you display your information. Okay, let me use this. Now below here, can we see? Okay, can we see down here? Now these are bids, the buyers and the sellers. The buyers and the sellers. Can we see down here, friends? I just want to simplify. I'm going to do order books. I'm going to spend time and show you how you trade with order books. Okay. Okay, now do you see here? Who is taking the rest? At a certain price, okay, can we find these are people bidding at a certain price? Okay. They want to buy at a certain price. So they are putting in a price at this price you see here. I don't know if I'm making sense. Someone is, whatever price you see here, people are saying, I want to buy at this price. 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 Am I making sense? So they put in their orders. Now there comes to, when we shall be looking at order blocks, we shall see there comes to prices that are hidden. They will come to prices that are hidden. Some people cause what we call blocks in the order, and the market no longer keeps moving. And we shall be looking at that because there is a hidden order, a big hidden order. But you see people are buying in with millions of money. This one has made them 1.1. So people are using big funds. People are bidding. You see sometimes people, you see this one is bidding. People are bidding with big funds. And whenever the price will get to that price he wants to buy, the prices will go high. So we shall be looking at how you use order blocks to trade in our coming classes, so that you could just use order blocks, then you go to your royal queue and be able to trade. So bids and assets. So bidders are buyers and askers are sellers. Okay. So the askers are sellers and the bidders are buyers. So it's just normal English, bidding, okay, bidding and asking. Or it's just normal English, how to buy and trade. So we have, I hope, I don't know why my screen is no longer moving. Okay, so on top, we have these, the amount of coins and the total. Can we all see this guy here? This one, he has sold $2.6 million. This one, He has sold five. You see, guys, you see, this is the amount of money. This is the total. The amount, the total. The amount, the total. The amount. So this is the price of the coin. Now these ones are selling. So if the sellers are more than the buyers, if the sellers are more than the buyers, then the market will go down. If the buyers are more than the sellers, then the market will go up. As simple as that. As simple as that. Okay. Now, what is a rally? This is a rally, friends. What's a rally? A rally, this is a rally. R-double-L-Y. This is a rally. A rally is a group of people that come up together to create an uptrend. So they come up to buy to create an uptrend. Now, what is a spread? What is a spread? What is a spread? A spread is a difference between the buyers and the sellers, the bidders and the askers. This is the amount of not coin someone is selling. This is the amount of money. This one is going in. This one, $3,266. This one has sold 5,000. This one sold 1,000. This has sold $10,000 worth of this one has sold 9,000. This one has sold 8,000. This one has sold 3,000. This one has sold 6,000. This one has sold 3,000. So I can take off my time and I look at these bids and asks and I predict where the market is going. This one, 11,000. But at the same time, I don't need to look at the bids alone. I also need to look at the askers at the same time. Now, that's why if the buyers, the sellers are many, you see this wick here. This is in 1 day. So I can change the time frame here and I go to 4 hours. And I see how are the buyers and the sellers behaving in the market. Hello? And that's why there is that lower wick here. Because the buyers, the bidders, the askers are very serious now. And they have made enough profit. Now here are the buyers. So I look both on top. I look at the price. They're buying at 0. This is the price, 0.023. Okay. This one has bought with $52. This one has bought with 8. This one has bought with 1,000. Okay. This one has bought with 244. This one has bought with 137. Okay, they're buying at the price is up here, friends. They want to buy at that price. Okay, this one 16,584, 37, 30. Now this is going to be a robot. You see, this is a robot. 600 and you see, I can see robots. You see, I can see robots and I can see people. Robots buy repeatedly with minimum amount. This is a robot. This is a robot. This is a robot. This is a robot. They buy repeatedly. So I can sit here on the market. This is a robot. This is a robot. They buy with small amounts repeatedly. Are we learning, friends? But I'll spend some time on order books here. One of the amazing skills that many traders don't have. And you know, as the crypto ambassadors, we rock the space. I want to give you this for free. Let me go to what is a pattern, all right? Let me go, what is a pattern? I want to come to the end of my call for today. What is a pattern, friends? A pattern is a shape which the market forms, okay? Like you saw, yeah, the other day, Leader Mopiwa was here and said that is a morning star. That is a bullish engulfing. That's a bearish engulfing. Those are white angels. Those are black crows. It's just a pattern. It's a shape. You will be able to see. We shall be talking about a rectangle, a triangle. Okay. Hello. Okay, guys. Are we learning? Are we learning? So that's just terminologies. Then I talked about volume. What's volume? Okay. I hope I'm now coming to the end. What's volume? Okay, what's volume? Let me remove this. I want you to focus at this area because I'm going to remove off my cursor. Can we see these bars, friends? These ones? Give me a trend chart if you can see here. Can we see it here? Give me a trend chart if you can see here. Give me a trend chart. If you are not typing, to me, I'm going to go away. You see, people come to these classes as if me, I'm supposed to be here. They don't respond. They just stay around here as if me, I'm supposed to be. Who told you that me, I'm supposed to be here? Who told you? Me, I can end these classes, I stop them, and nobody will ask me why. Because nobody employs me. Nobody pays me. So if you are here and you are not responding, then why are we supposed to be here and waste time? Me, I can stay with my knowledge. I transfer it to my children, full stop. But if you are here, respond. As simple as that, so that me, I teach you. I see you are following. But these issues of being here and not responding, me, I can come to the end of these classes and nobody will ask me, why are you not doing the Zooms? Because nobody pays me. Hey, this is knowledge and it pays. This is money. Okay, let's focus, friends. It's not a big deal. You know, trading is volume, friends, okay? And if you look at this bar here, this long bar, it shows you how much here, this shows. Okay, it shows volume. It speaks how much, and this talks about how much money is getting into the market. How much volume is getting into the market. And if you put your focus here, you can see the amount of money on the volume. This is the volume of note. It is 6.176 billion note coins. And this is the amount of money. Am I making sense? That is getting into the market. And you can definitely see, because once it increases, the volume here will increase. And once the volume increases, like it happened here, the market will go up. So volume is how much is in a particular coin at a particular time. So I can be able to see the amount being bid to sell. This one is selling 2,000 and is selling at this price. This one wants to sell at this price. This one wants to sell at this price. This one at this price. So this one 1,000, 5,000, 3,000. People are getting out of this coin like nobody's business. But I'm looking for big traders. These are small boys. These are small boys. These ones are small boys. I can't run away from these. These are small boys. 500, 3,000, 5,000, 3,000. These are small boys. 18,000. That has made a big sale. So when people bid, this effect affects the market here. So when you see sellers are more than buyers, just know the market's gonna be affected. As simple as that, friends. And you see the buying volume is increasing, then you just know maybe the buyers just wanna take control. But friends, people have made a lot of money. The sellers look like they are in charge. But you can just scroll down here. I'm done. I just want to talk about what is consolidation. This is the time when people sell. It's like consolidation and correction are the same. As traders, we usually want to wait because basically whatever goes up comes down. As I come to the end, whatever goes down, whatever goes up comes down. Nothing can rally forever. Nothing can rally forever. Okay? Nothing can rally forever. So since nothing can rally forever, okay, since nothing can rally forever, friends, it is important for you to basically understand. It is important for you basically to understand that whatever goes up comes down. So as a trader, you don't want to enter the market at a sell-off when people are selling off. You want to make sure that you wait for the market to come down. For example, it went up, it comes down, that's when you plan to get into the market. So sell-off is at a point when people are taking profits. A sell-off is at the point where people are taking profits. People are taking profits, people are taking profits. Okay, that's when now you will be able to see. So people are here bidding. I don't know if I've changed the coin or I'm still in the same one. Okay. So stop loss. What is stop loss? You hear people talk about stop loss. What is stop loss? Okay, what is stop loss? I think I've changed the coin. Am I in the coin? Did I change the coin? Yes, I'm still in not coin. You see now the candle is red in the 1 hour, which shows you that the sellers are taking charge. People are taking off profit. Okay, people are selling. If you scroll down here, the overall, okay, you see the buyers 86, 83, the sellers 16. So it gives you the general. Track the contents of the first 20 data transaction on the spot updated in real time. The first 20. So it is tracking the 20 that are happening now. Get away now. I've seen. I don't want. So here. So 56, 43, the first 20 orders that are getting into the market in the order book. In the order book, sorry. What is happening here in the order books? I'll teach you how to use order books to trade. They have their different charts, but not now. So stop loss is at a point where a trader sets to make some loss. As crypto ambassadors, we don't use stop loss. What do we use? We use what we call margin calls. So instead of us focusing on losses, we say, if I buy my not coin up here, so it is only amateurs that do not trade with margin calls. They are amateurs, gamblers. Okay, you enter from here. Thank you. You want to get out from here, which is okay. It's not a big deal. But if you were a normal trader, and this was, let me say, this was your support, and that is your resistance. You used these moving averages. This is a 25 and a 99. Is it? Yes. It's a 25, a 7, and a 99. So this means this is the 99. This is the 25. And this is the 7. And you entered at the crossover here. You said, I'll enter from here at the golden cross. And I will take profit, let me say here. This was your resistance. So you decide to say that you must trade with margin calls. That if I enter from here and I'll take profit from here, I understand that this market is not magic. That swee, no, there will be swee, 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 swee. Now, if it all happens and the coin is on an uptrend, in normal trading, a trader will put up a stop loss of around here. That when the market comes down, maybe it reaches here and it comes down here. That's the stop loss. Let me sell at a loss. But a good using Royal Q prevents you from all this nonsense. And that's why you trade with the margin calls. That whenever the market comes down, the robot buys more. So it bought here, bought here, bought here. So it creates what we call a new average price. That a simple rise up just here it sells and you make money. So it's only amateurs who join Royal Q and they pick any trade without margin calls. Sometimes my other friend calls them people with no knowledge. But if you understand that this market is not for your sister or your grandmother, you understand that you cannot trade any coin without margin calls. And the day you do it, just know you have a mental issue. The day you do it, you put all your $100 as your first buying amount. I'm not here to discuss moving averages. My topic is terminologies. Order books that you see here, these are orders of people. Someone says that at this price, I want to buy. Someone says at this price, I want to sell. As simple as that. A block order is a hidden order that you cannot see. For example, but I'm not here to teach order books today. For example, I could ask myself, why is it that this coin is not moving? There could be a big order that someone has hidden, because you can hide your order. You say, I can see all these people's orders. I can see all these people's orders, but someone can decide to hide his order. Someone can hide their order so that you cannot see their order. So he trades and he hides the order. It can be done. You can hide your order. You can hide so that nobody can see them in the market. So that is what. But I'll teach you how to use order blocks, but not today. Today it was called terminology. There will be a specific time where I will go into order blocks because I know how to use them. I know how to use them. So thank you so much for today. That is the end of our class. Our class was basically, that's the end of our class. Our class was basically to be able to give you more insights about what we are going to be discussing. And I hope I've been able to do you a good service. See you on the next class tomorrow. And I wish you a nice day, friends. Thank you for joining and learning with us today. Hope you are able to learn one or two things. This was just terminologies. And then tomorrow, we are going to go to lesson number 2. And we're going to talk about emotional trading. We're going to talk about fear and greed. We're going to talk about risk management. You're going to talk about risk to reward ratios. We are going to be able to understand as a professional trader what is dollar cost averaging, what mistakes should you be able to avoid. Then later, I'll go into order books and be able to explain how to use order books. Then we shall be able to do fundamental analysis. How do you do fundamental analysis? So many stuffs to come, a lot that will make you professional traders. Someone in my chat, you want to look for you one-on-one. You must have $10,000. If you don't have, I don't have your time. Okay? Just come here. Maybe if you have a small question where you are confused, you could come in my chat. Okay, come in my chat. Ask me a small question. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? But if you want to say, Julius, I need you on Zoom, one